Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Is there anything as quintessentially summer as laying in a hammock? No, I don't think there is. I love to grab a book, something to drink, and just go lay out in the hammock and relax and watch the cows run around. But one thing about hammocks that always worries me is whether they're going to break and land me on the ground. We've had this hammock from Kootek for over a year, and it is so strong, even though it's extremely lightweight. One of the reasons that my husband and I decided to buy it is because it's made of parachute material. Now we know how strong that is. People actually trust their lives to it. And I trust that when I'm laying in this hammock, it is going to support me and my husband if we decide to sit in it together. It was so easy to put up. We just simply used the straps around the tree. And truth be told, we actually left them out all winter long. And not only did they survive the snow, rain, wind, and blasting sun of all four seasons, they look brand new. We use this hammock at home, but it's so lightweight you could easily make it a part of your hiking or camping gear and take it with you. I can't imagine anything more relaxing than setting this up at a campsite next to a lake or a river or just out in the woods and enjoying nature. If you're looking for me on a lovely summer afternoon, you know exactly where I'm going to be, right here in this amazing hammock, and that's my point of view.